Now, if and when Ankur Warikoo watches this video, we Indians love to spend money. फिर चाहे वो शादी हो या फिर वो कार लेना हो. The distance between I could have and I have is regret. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Everyone recommends to epic shit. But is it really that good? Let's find out today. So इस बुक को रिव्यू करने से पहले let's talk about the man behind it. Ankur Warikoo, who is one of the most influential voices on growth and discipline. Millions of people listen to him because his words don't just inspire you, they push you to act. I'm already aware of the content that he makes. I've already watched his videos. So when I was reading this book, I could actually hear his voice in my head. So I felt more connected to the book because I felt like he was talking to me and he was explaining things to me. So yeah, this was like a much needed reset. अब आप पूछोगे, Shweta, if you've already seen his videos, why should we even read this book? Fair question. Let me answer this. When you watch his reels, you stay motivated for like 20, 30 seconds. So your motivation lasts for just one reel and it's gone with the next swipe. But when you're reading the book, you get time to stop and absorb what you just read. And that's why the impact lasts longer and it shapes your thinking in ways that you don't even notice at first. And the cherry on top is that the ideas come in micro lessons. So there's no pressure for continuity. आपने बुक उठा ली, कुछ पेजेस रीड किए, you get inspired, you give this book like 10 minutes, you put it down and you move on. So you don't have to remember what you read last the next time you read the book. This makes it a great option for beginners as well. So in the first part, Ankur Warikoo defines success and failure. He tells how we are a part of a rat race to label everything we do as success and failure. Half of the time, it's not even our own scoreboard. इसको 90 marks आ गए, you label it as a success. इसको 60 आए, oh he's a failure. इसको 25 lakhs का package है, oh he's a successful person. And इसे 10 lakhs है, oh he's a failure. So society judges us before we judge ourselves. So Ankur Warikoo beautifully explains that it is important that we write our own definition of success. Now, let's look at failure. The minute we start comparing ourselves with others, we fail. We fail ourselves. Every time we choose to back out, to give up, to quit something that is going to benefit us, we lose. So ये part read करने के बाद, my perspective towards success and failure, it completely changed. He also shares the mistakes that he made in his 20s and 30s. And the funny part is, every mistake that he mentions makes you take a pause and think, wait a minute, I have done this. So मेरा ऐसा हुआ that I was reading the mistakes and I was like, ये मैंने किया हुआ है, ये तो definitely मेरे साथ हो चुका है, ये भी मैंने किया हुआ है. अब इस सारे mistakes निकालूंगी तो पूरा दिन कम पड़ जाएगा. But I'm going to quickly go through 3 mistakes that I want you guys to hear. First, taking out loans. Ankur Warikoo says that if you do not have the money to buy something right now, you just do not have the money. And I totally agree with him. Just because you can buy an iPhone or an expensive car on EMI doesn't mean you should. Of course, अगर वो necessity है and if it is going to improve your life, you should definitely take a loan, you should definitely buy it. But अगर आपको Instagram पे upload करना है and if you want to upgrade your lifestyle just to show off, then it makes no sense. Second, stop comparing. Everyone has a different definition of success. उसके पास duplex है, car है, doesn't make him a successful person and you a failure. And similarly, your success does not make other people a failure. So I believe that ये चीज clear होना is very important. And the last one is, do not get comfortable. Comfort sounds nice, it feels good until you realize you've stopped growing. अभी मैंने यही 3 mistakes इसलिए बताए because I feel like everyone who are in their 20s and 30s are going through the same state of mind. So we can relate to it more and we can improve and learn from his mistakes. In this book, Ankur Warikoo talks about focusing on habits over targets. While I get his logic, I'm not completely on board. Now, I'm not saying he's wrong, but I'm just saying that this idea is not for me. Because personally speaking, targets give me motivation and it gives me a direction. So I like to know where I'm headed or what I'm going to get out of doing something. So although his point makes sense, but I'm just choosing what works for me. Now, he talks a great deal about awareness, and I genuinely concur with him. He emphasizes on making decisions based on what the situation actually demands and not on society's expectations or other people's opinions. You have to understand where you stand before you make any major decisions. Now, there is one more thing in this book that I slightly disagree on, is one of his thoughts about picking both options. Now, he's written, if unsure between two choices, picking both is almost always the wrong response. Now, if and when Ankur Warikoo watches this video, here's my explanation why I disagree. I'm the kind of a person who's never satisfied. I'm forever chasing for a better life. But yes, I do focus on one day at a time. I make sure I end my every day being satisfied with how I've lived. For me, overambition is never a problem, but the lack of action is. It's okay to want more as long as you're willing to put in the work for it. So there is this line that kind of stayed with me, and the line goes, the distance between I could have and I have is regret. So honestly, this has been my personal resolution for a few years now. Every year I decide to make choices, to take well-informed decisions. Even though sometimes they might not work for me, but I still do take them because I'm still going to learn something out of it. So this is my fear of failure. Because for me, not taking a shot means not giving myself a chance. And I don't want to keep that regret in my life. So yeah, that's my philosophy. Now I mostly skimmed over the entrepreneurship part and jumped straight to the money. So it's an open secret that sabko paisa chahiye. But most of us are doing it all wrong. Again, Ankur Warikoo mentions his fair share of mistakes that he did regarding money. So I'm going to mention a few points from this book that personally inspired me. क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा ज्ञान इस वीडियो से लेकर ही जाओ. सो लेट्स सी. मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? दैट वी गिव मनी अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस. हमें लगता है कि हमारे लाइफ के सारे प्रॉब्लम्स पैसों से सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड ये कुछ हद तक सही भी है. आई नो हमारी लाइफ पैसों की वजह से बहुत ईजी हो जाती है, बट देयर कम्स अ पॉइंट व्हेन यू नीड टू रियलाइज दैट पैसों से सब सॉर्ट नहीं होता है. Like, you cannot make up for the lost time with money and prioritizing money over health. You cannot compromise your health just to earn more money. Again, spending quality time with your family. The happiness that you get from spending time with your family is irreplaceable. So, ये कुछ चीजें हैं that cannot be fixed with money. Second thing, we spend to impress, not live. We Indians love to spend money. फिर चाहे वो शादी हो या फिर वो कार लेना हो. We spend extravagantly. But let's just ask ourselves for a second कि इतना पैसा स्पेंड करना जरूरी है? ब्रांडेड चीजों पे, एक्सपेंसिव कार्स पे स्पेंड करना जरूरी है? Is maintaining an image really that important to you if you have to compromise with your family time and health? Personally, I'm not a spendthrift. I spend money on things that actually matter and not on things that just look good on Instagram. The last part, save first and spend later. I just love this idea. We should always focus on saving first and then spend whatever we are left with. But most of us do the opposite thing, and which is wrong. So that was my take on this book. Remember, every time you read any self-help book, you get a chance to learn, reflect, and act on it. Because every time I read any self-help book, I feel like my life gets a little bit easier, simpler, and clearer. So don't just watch this video, learn, reflect, and act on it. And if this video made you change your perspective towards life, then stick around and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you don't have this regret later. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right away, and see you in the next video. Bye.